Perfect. Okay. We will tell the prayer. Ramaya Ramabhadraya
Ramaya Ramabhadraya
Ramachandraya Vedase
Ramachandraya Vedase
Raghunathaya Nathaya
Raghunathaya Nathaya
Sitaya Pataye Namaha.
Sitaya Pataye Namaha.
Shri Rama Rama Rameti
Shri Rama Rama Rameti
Rame Rame Manorame
Rame Rame Manorame
Sahasranama Tattulyam
Sahasranama Tattulya
Ramanama Varanane.
Rama Rama
Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya
Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya
Prabhu Nityananda
Prabhu Nityananda
Shri Advaita Gadadhara
Shri Advaita Gadadhara
Shri Vasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda.
Srivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda.
Hare Krishna Hare Krishna
Hare Krishna Hare Krishna
Krishna Krishna Hare Hare
Krishna Krishna Hare Hare
Hare Rama Hare Rama
Hare Rama Hare Rama
Rama Rama Hare Hare
Rama Rama Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna. I forgot to ask about Mayuk. Mayuk, which class you got?
Mataji, he will go to second.
Second standard. Okay, so where are we? Which shloka? We did 27, right?
27.
Or we did 20? So who were ready? Dasharath was planning to coronate Lord Ram. Suddenly Kaikeyi had two promises, right? She wanted the two promises to be fulfilled. What are the two promises? Who can tell?
Bharata Pattabhisheka. Say.
Okay.
Go to
Forest.
Yeah,
First
Ram
one.
should go to forest
And
and then Bharat will
Bharata
Pattabhishekam. Bharat Pattabhishekam. Yes. Bharat should be coronated and Ram will go to forest. And then who followed with him? Along with Ram, who went?
Sita.
Yes, Lakshman, he followed, and Sita told that she also want to go. And then what happened? Where they went? And all the people in Ayodhya, all the residents of Ayodhya, they also followed Lord Ram. Lord Ram's chariot was going on. So who also went? Residents of Ayodhya also, all of them went. And there came a river. Right? What is the river?
Yamuna.
No. Near Ayodhya, which river flows? All of you study history?
No. Mataji Sarayu.
Okay, the Sarayu, but when they walked and went, they went to?
Ganga.
Yeah, they went to Ganga. The Ganga Sarayu is a tributary from Ganga. Originally, they went to Ganga. They went to the bank of Ganga, which is a place. What is the place name?
Ayodhya.
No.
Ayodhya.
No. They left Ayodhya. They walked for a long distance.
Ayodhya. No.
All the Ayodhya Vasis, Sita, Ram, Lakshman.
Sri Lanka.
Sri Lanka. Oh dear, not yet Sri Lanka. Long time wait. It was Shringiberapure. We studied right in the last quota. Shringiberapure. Place called Shringibera. Okay, you remember? 27 Shloka. Shringiberapure Sukam. Ganga Play Vyasarjayat. They went there and it was night time. So all of them took rest. All the Ayodhya Vasis, Ram, Lakshman, Sita. And who was there? Guha was there. Who was there?
Guha.
He is the head leader of the Nishadas, the tribals. So everybody took rest. So Ram, Lakshman and Hanuman, next day early morning, they woke up while all the residents of Ayodhya were sleeping. All the three woke up and asked Guha to cross the river to the other side. While Ayodhya Vasis were sleeping, they were about to follow Ram, right? But they all slept. And Guha, following the order of Ram, he may cross them, Ganga, and left them on the other side. And Guha was also crying, but Ram told that he has to go back. Guha has to go back to office. He's a leader of the tribal people, right? So they need a leader. So he went back. So this is where we are. This is the last shloka. We'll try to do it again. Anybody remember 27th shloka? We'll do it one more time, okay? Paurairanagato duram.
Paurairanagato duram.
Pitra Dasharatena cha.
Pitra Dasharatena cha.
Shringibera sutam.
Shringibera sutam.
Ganga kule vyasarjayat.
Ganga kule vyasanjayat.
Guhamasadya dharmatma.
Guhamasadya dharmatma.
Nishadadipatim priyam.
Nishadadipatim priyam.
Okay, Nishadadipatim priyam. One more time, then all of each of you will tell the shloka. Okay. Paurairanagato duram.
Paurairanagato duram.
Pitra Dasharatena cha.
ಸರಿ ಹತ್ರ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಫೋನ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಕ್ಷರ
Shringibera sutam.
Shringibera
Ganga kule vyasarjayat.
Ganga kule vyasarjayat.
Guhamasadya dharmatma.
Guhamasadya dharmatma.
Nishadadipatim priyam.
Nishadadipatim priyam.
Okay, Gandharvika, Dhanvin want to tell full shloka? Yeah.
Yes, Mataji.
Okay, Jagannath. Yeah, I'm not able to hear. Madhav?
Paurairanagato duram. Pitra Dasharatena cha. Shringibera sutam. Ganga kule vyasarjayat. Guhamasadya dharmatma. Nishadadipatim priyam.
Very good. Yes, Trayati. And Mayuk.
Paurairanagata duram. Pitra Dasharatena cha. Shringibera sutam. Ganga kule vyasarjayat. Guham asadya dharmatma. Nishad adipatim priyam.
Very good. Jagannath, unmute yourself now.
Mataji, last class I didn't attend. I don't know what it is.
Just now I told. Try.
Yes, Mataji. Paurairanagata duram.
Pitra Dasharatena cha.
Dasharatena cha. Shringibera
Sutam.
sutam. सुतं गङ्गाकुले
व्यसर्जयत्
विसर्जयत्
गुहं
गुह्यम्
आसाद्य धर्मात्मा
असाध्य धर्मात्मा
विषादाति
निषादादि
पतिं प्रियम्.
पतिं प्रियम्.
Okay. Maithili Vaidegi. Unmute.
శృంగిబేరం పురే
Sutam
సుతం
Gangakule
గంగాకులే వ్యసర్జయత్
गुहमासाद्य
గుహమాసాద్య ధర్మాత్మా
निषादादि.
నిషాదాది
Okay, so all of them went, and now Guha is going to cross Ram, Lakshman, and Sita, the river Ganga. Guha, he got the boat and he made Ram, Sita, and Lakshman cross the river. Okay. Guhena sa Guhena sa
గుహేన స
hito
హితో
Ramo
రామో
hito Ramo
హితో రామో
Guhena sahito Ramo
గుహేన సహితో రామో
Lakshmanena
లక్ష్మణేన
cha
చ
Lakshmanena cha
లక్ష్మణేన చ
Sitaya
సీతయా
Lakshmanena cha Sitaya
లక్ష్మణేన చ సీతయా
Okay. Guhena Guhena sahito Ramo
గుహేన సాహితో
Lakshmanena cha Sitaya
లక్ష్మణేన చ సీతయా
Guhena sahito Ramo
గుహేన సాహితో
Guhena Lakshmanena cha Sitaya
లక్ష్మణేన చ సీతయా
Okay, Trayati, tell the story.
గుహేన సహితో రామో లక్ష్మణేన చ సీతయా
Madhav,
లక్ష్మణ
అది కూడా నేర్చుకోలేవా
Madhav. Guhena
సహితో రామో లక్ష్మణేన చ
Sitaya. Okay. Yes.
माताजी
बोलो.
हितो रामो लक्ष्मणेनो च सीतया.
Okay. Gandharvika Dhanman. Very good. Jagannath. Mute. Guhena
हितो रामो लक्ष्मणेन च सीताया.
Sitaya. Very good. Maithili Vaidegi.
Recipe गोपी जी गोपिका जी
हाँ बोलो. Sitaya. One. Tell me again. Tell again. Very good. Okay. Everyone now. Anybody missed? All of you told, right? फिर से बोलेंगे. Everyone. गुहेन सहितो रामो.
गुहेन सहितो रामो गुहेन सहितो
लक्ष्मणेन च सीतया.
लक्ष्मणेन च सीतया लक्ष्मणेन च सीतया.
Okay, there's only one line, so I'm going to go to the next shloka. Okay. Yeah. So we'll go to the next shloka because there was only one line. We'll learn not the full shloka. One shloka. Yeah. But it's noise. Okay. If there is a noise in the background, keep yourself over. Okay. We'll learn 4 lines. And next week we'll learn the next two. Okay. So what happened? They crossed the river and there was a forest. And there was a rishi called Bharadwaj. Who is the rishi? Bharadwaj. And they reached a place called Chitrakoot. You've gone to Chitrakoot. See, this is where Ram reached today. From crossing the Ganga, and he reached Chitrakoot, and there was a rishi. Who is the rishi there? Bharadwaj. Bharadwaj rishi. Huh? So Bharadwaj rishi told Ram, Lakshman, Sita to stay in Chitrakoot. Okay? Yeah. So we'll go. Te vanena te vanena vanam gatva vanam gatva te vanena vanam gatva
वनं गत्वा
Devanena vanam gatva.
देवनेन वनं गत्वा देवनेन वनं गत्वा
Nadis
नदीस्
तीर्त्वा
तीर्त्वा
nadis तीर्त्वा
नदीस् तीर्त्वा
bahudaka
बहुदका
nadis तीर्त्वा
नदीस् तीर्त्वा बहुदका
bahudaka nadis तीर्त्वा bahudaka
नदीस् तीर्त्वा बहुदका
Devanena vanam gatva.
देवनेन वनं गत्वा
Nadis तीर्त्वा bahudaka
नदीस् तीर्त्वा बहुदका
One more time. Devanena vanam gatva.
देवनेन वनं गत्वा
Nadis तीर्त्वा bahudaka
नदीस् तीर्त्वा बहुदका
Okay, Jagannath, tell the 2 lines.
देवनेन
Vanam gatva.
वनं गत्वा
नदीस्तीर्त्वा
नदीस्तीवा
तीर्त्वा
तीत्वा
बहूदकाः
बहुकदा बहुदका
वेरी गुड ओके माधव
देववेन
वनेन
वनेन गतं
वनं गत्वा
वनं गत्वा
नदीस्तीर्त्वा
नदीस्तीर्त्वा बहुदका
वेरी गुड यस गंधर्विका धन्वन
निशा नदी शास्त्र
नदीस्तीर्त्वा
बहुदका
बहुदका वेरी गुड मैथिली वैदेकी
सेवन
वनेन
सेवनेन वनं गत्वा नदीतीरा
तीर्त्वा
तीर्त्वा
बहुदकाः
बहुदकाः
ओके रायति
सेवनेन वनं गत्वा नदीस्तीर्त्वा बहुदका
मयूख told her?
यस माताजी
Okay. Anyone else now? Dayanvita.
हरे कृष्ण माताजी
Krishna.
देवमेव
वनेन
देवनेन
वनं गत्वा
वनं गत्वा
नदीस्तीर्त्वा
नदीस्तीर्त्वा भयं
बहुदकाः
बहुरका
ओके रिपीट करते रहने का या बैठ के सब वर्ड टू वर्ड रिपीट करना है ओके वन मोर टाइम एवरीबॉडी बोल
लास्ट में क्या
ओके
इसमें है
ते वनेन वनं गत्वा एवरीवन
देवनेन वनं गत्वा
नदीस्तीर्त्वा बहुदकाः
नदीस्तीर्त्वा बहुदका
वेरी गुड चित्रकूटं
चित्रकूटम्
अनु
अनु
प्राप्य अनुप्राप्य चित्रकूटम् अनुप्राप्य
चित्रकूटम्
अनुप्राप्य भरद्वाज
भरद्वाज
अस्य भरद्वाजस्य
भरद्वाजस्य
शासनात् भरद्वाजस्य शासनात् ओके टुगेदर भरद्वाजस्य शासनात्
भरद्वाजस्य शासनात्
वेरी गुड भरद्वाजस्य शासनात् ओके चित्रकूटम् अनुप्राप्य
चित्रकूटमनुप्राप्य
भरद्वाजस्य शासनात्
भरद्वाजस्य शासनात्
तेवनेन वनं गत्वा
देवनेन वनं गत्वा
नदीस्तीर्त्वा बहूदकाः
नदीस्तीर्थं बहुगता
चित्रकूटम् अनुप्राप्य
चित्रकूटम् अनुप्राप्य
भरद्वाजस्य शासनात्
भरद्वाजस्य शासनात्
ओके one more time. तेवनेन वनं गत्वा
देवनेन वनं गत्वा
नदीस्तीर्त्वा बहूदकाः
नदीस्तीर्त्वा बहुगता
बहूदकाः चित्रकूटम् अनुप्राप्य
चित्रकूटम् अनुप्राप्य
भरद्वाजस्य शासनात्
भरद्वाजस्य शासनात्
ओके क्रायति टेल द पुष्पक
देवनेन वनं गत्वा नदीस्तीर्त्वा बहुदका चित्रकूटम् अनुप्राप्य भरद्वाजस्य शासनात्
वेरी गुड माधव
देवनेन वनं गत्वा नदीस्तीर्त्वा बहुदका चित्रकूटम् अनुप्राप्य
भरद्वाजस्य शासनात् ओके वेरी गुड जगन्नाथ you're muted
गत्वा
तीर्त्वा
नदीस्तीर्त्वा बहुदका चित्रकूट अनुप्राप्य भरद्वाजस्य शासनात्
वेरी गुड मैथिली वैदेही okay yeah Dhanmin and Gandharvika गत्वा तीर्त्वा
नदीस्तीर्त्वा बहुदका चित्रकूटम्
अनुप्राप्य
भरद्वाजस्य
भरद्वाजस्य शासन yes Gandharvika Dhanmina
अनुप्राप्य
Bharadwajasya Sasanat. Okay, all of us one more time. Anybody? Yeah. Indu, Dayanvita, please. Are you there?
Yes, Mataji.
Bolo.
Mataji, first line.
Tevanena.
Varam Gatva.
Nadistirtva.
Nadistirtva.
Bahudaka. Nadistirtva Bahudaka. What happened? चित्रकूटम् अनुप्राप्य भरद्वाजस्य शासनात् Okay. Hear you. Okay, we'll tell one more time, everyone. Tevanena vanam gatva
देवनेन
एवनेनावनं गत्वा
nadistirtva bahudaka
नदीतीर्त्वा बहुदका
नदीस्तीर्त्वा बहुदका
चित्रकूटम् अनुप्राप्य
चित्रकूटम् अनुप्राप्य चित्रकूटम् अनुप्राप्य
भरद्वाजस्य शासनात्
भरद्वाजस्य शासनात् शासनात्
Very good. Okay, so all of you will practice till this.
Yes,
30th
Mataji.
shloka, we'll do it next week. Okay.
Yes, Mataji.
Yeah, all of you will practice, right? And next week
Yes,
we will do
Mataji.
at least
Yes,
10 shlokas.
Mataji.
10
Yes.
shlokas, all of you will practice and come. 10 shlokas you should tell without seeing. Yeah, okay. Perfect. Okay, then we'll chant one Hare Krishna mantra, everyone.
Hello.
Hare
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna,
Hare
Krishna,
Krishna,
Hare
Hare
Krishna,
Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare,
Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare,
Hare Rama, Hare Rama,
Hare Rama, Hare Rama,
Rama Rama, Hare Hare,
Rama
Rama
Rama,
Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna,
Mataji,
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Hare Krishna,
Mataji,